In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two amplifiers to one mixer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are various ways to do this, but the simplest and most common ways to connect two power amplifiers to one mixer are by using multiple output types on the mixer, or by using Y splitters, which is less ideal. So, first, use dedicated mixer outputs. Connect the mixer's main output to the input of amplifier 1. So the main output goes into the amplifier 1 input. This is going to be used for your main speaker, aka the tops. Now connect one of the mixer's aux send or monitor send to the input of amp 2. So once again, on amp 2, connect that to the input. This is often used for speakers that serve a different purpose, like subwoofers or stage monitors. This method allows you to control the volume sent to amplifier 1, which is going to be used for the main speakers, with the main faders, and the volume sent to amplifier 2, example being the subwoofers or the monitors, using the dedicated aux send level knobs on each channel. And if your mixer has matrix outs, you can use the main output for amplifier 1 and the matrix output for amplifier 2. Matrix outputs are a mix of features that give you great control. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.